Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful zipper style bracelet at home. The bracelet is based on peyote stitch. I'm using here delica beads, but the bracelet can be made with round beads too. The design is beginners friendly, very simple and very easy to make. I will show you every single details in this video. Just one request, please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. And my friend, from which country you watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm very much excited to know. So let's check the material list for this bracelet. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle button in your YouTube settings anytime. So we need some golden delica beads 11O, red delica beads 11O, beading needle number 10 and beading thread 0.20 mm, and you can use fishing line or fire line too, and then magnetic clasp or magnetic closure, or you can use any kind of clasp according to your choice. Now take approximately 150 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet, and I'm using here stopper bead. It will prevent my beadwork from slip off. Simply pass the needle once or twice and leave 5 to 6 cm long thread for the tail. And which color combination you love the most, please let me know in the comment section. Alternatively, pick up red and golden beads, but make sure at first you have to pick up red bead and the last you need to pick the golden one. So here I just pick up 108 beads for the 6-inch bracelet. The beads quantity depends on your wrist size or the bracelet size. Or as you can see, here I just take 14 cm for the 15 cm bracelet because you need to leave the space for the clasp also. Now I'm gonna make the basic peyote stitch here. So pick up one red bead and skip the first one and pass through the second bead or the red bead. In this way, it will create the T shape. Again pick up one red bead and skipping the golden one, pass through the next red bead. Again do the same, pick up one red bead and skipping the golden one, pass through the next red bead. If you love this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for further updates. This line will be the red line, so you need to continue with the red bead for this line. So I will be back after completing this line. So this way, I just finish the line. As you can see, I just completed the red line. Now I'm going to make the another red line or another row. So for the new row, I pick up one red bead and skipping the first one and pass through the second red bead. Again pick up one red bead and skipping the next one, pass through the next pop-up bead. So pick up one red bead and pass through the next pop-up bead. Continue doing the same with red bead. In this way, complete the red line. If you love this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for further updates. As you can see, I just completed the red line. Now I'm going to make the golden line. So pick up one golden bead and pass through the next pop-up red bead. Pick up one golden bead and pass through the next pop-up red bead. Pick up one golden bead and step up into the next red bead. So in this way, you have to complete the line with golden bead. So I'm back again with completing the golden line. Again I'm going to make the new golden line. Pick up one golden bead and pass through the first golden one. Pick up one golden bead and pass through the next golden one. Pick up one golden bead and pass through the next golden one. So in this way you have to continue this line with golden bead. As you can see, I just completed the line. Now I'm going to make the new golden line. Again I pick up one golden bead and skipping the first one, I'm going into the next one. Pick up one golden bead and pass through the next golden pop-up bead. Pick up one golden and step up into the next golden pop-up bead. Simply repeat and continue this line with golden bead. As you can see, I just completed this line. Now I'm going to make the next line. So pick up one red bead and pass through the first pop-up golden bead. So this will be the red line, so you need to continue adding the red bead. Pick up one red bead and pass through the next pop-up golden bead. Pick up one red bead and pass through the next one golden pop-up bead and simply repeat and continue this line with red bead. You need to repeat and continue this line with red bead. As you can see, I just completed the red line. Now I'm going to make the new line with red bead. So pick up one red bead and pass through the first red bead. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next red bead. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next red bead. Continue doing the same. This way you need to complete this line with red bead. If you have enough time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making tutorials out there. As you can see, I just completed the line with red bead. Now I'm going to make the new row. Now pick up one red bead and skipping the first one and pass through the next red one. Pick up one red bead and pass through the next red one. Again pick up one red and pass through the next red pop-up bead. In this way you have to continue this line. Complete this line with red bead. You can see I just completed the line. So you can see one golden line, 3 red line, 3 golden line and 3 red line. Now we need to add one golden line to finish the project. I'm going to make the closure loop. So pick up 2 red bead plus clasp plus 2 red bead. Now pass through the opposite side red bead. Now step down through the next red bead. Now step up through the next 2 red beads. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking super thanks button in my any videos. It's definitely support me and motivate me to make more videos for you. Now pass through this way. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name in this description box and first pin comment. Please check this out. And if you have any queries or suggestions regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Now step down through these 2 red beads. Again, step up through these 2 red beads. So you can see my thread is coming out through this last red bead. Now pick up one golden bead and pass through the next one red bead. Now pick up one golden bead and pass through the next pop-up red bead. Again do the same, pick up one golden bead and pass through the next red bead. Simply continue doing the same. So in this way you have to complete this line with golden bead. So as you can see, I just completed. Now I'm going to finish it. Now step down through the next 2 red beads in this way. And now step up through one golden and one red bead like this. Now pick up 2 red beads, magnetic clasp and 2 red beads. Now pass through the next red bead in the front. Now step up through the next red bead and then remove the stop bead. You can see both threads are in the same direction. Now tie a few secure knots here. I would love to remind you to like this video. Your one like cost you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now cut off the extra tail thread here. Now the bracelet is ready. I hope you understand the tutorial well. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.